formation of alphabets with phonic rhymes. Okay, children. Now A. This one is capital letter, another is small letter, and A says A. Second is B. B for ball. B is the small letter. B says B. Now C. This one is capital letter and another is small letter. C says K. D. D for dog. This one is capital letter and this one is small letter, and D says D. E. E, and this one is small e, and E says E. Or A. When you sound E, E for engine, E for ear. When sound A, E for elephant, E for egg. Now come to the F. This one is F and this one is small f. Says fur. F for fish. G. G. This one is small g and G says G. G for girl. H. Capital H and small h. H says her. H for hen. I. I says E. I for ice cream. J. This one is capital J and this one is small j. J says jug. J for jug. K. K is small k. K says K. K for kite. L. L. L says L. L for lion. M. This one is small m and M says M. M for monkey. N. N says no. N for nest. N for nose. O. O says O. O for owl. P. This one is capital P and now small p and P says P. P for parrot. Q. Q for qua. Q says qua. Q for queen. Q for quail. R. R for rabbit. R is the small. This is wrong. and a small r like this. R says R. R. R for rose. S for sun. This is small letter, and now S says sir. S for sun. T. T, capital T, small t. T says T. T for tiger. U. U says A. U for umbrella. V. V says V. V for van. W. This one is small. W for wa. W for watch. W says wa. X. X says kush. X says kush. Fox. Box like this. And now X for Xmas tree. Y. And this one is small y. And Y says year. Y says year. Y for yak. Z. This one is capital J, and now small j. J says Z. J for zoo. Z for zebra. Okay, this is the phonic rhymes. Thank you for watching.